guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video for you on the C-Punk Be Sporty. I just got this recently in a trade on the BST, and the Sporty right now is one of my favourite bags to use. For the longest time I wasn't a fan of the Sporty because I just could not get it to work for me, but I ended up getting the Black Ops one and I just figured it out. I figured out a great way to pack it that works for me. So anyway, as I said, this one today is packed up for 2 kids. I can pack this up for my 5 kids as well, and it's been working really great. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I have in this front pocket. So right in this front zippered one here, I just have some gum in there. And then over in the front mummy pocket, I like to use this one just for all the wipes and hand sanitizers, although I do have my coin purse in there with coins in. But I have a hand sanitizer, and then I just have a bunch of wipes. I usually have tissues in here too, but I've run out of them. So I have the hand and face wipes, and I have another wipe pouch with just regular baby wipes in. And as I said, I normally put some tissues or some of the boogie wipes in there as well. Over on this side bottle pocket here, I just have one straw sippy cup, and I love the bottle pockets on the Sporty. These are probably my favourite pockets because most bottles and sippy cups are really easy to get in and out of here, and I find that they don't really take up much room from the inside of the bag. So over in this one I have another sippy cup. And then over on the back, I am using it with the backpack straps. I've never used this bag with the messenger strap, and I love it that it has the carry handle up on the top here. So it does have the cell phone pocket here. I don't have mine in there. In the back here, I have a small Be Organised with just some magnetic toys in. And then I have a Tokidoki coin purse, and that just has these little marker pens and just a little colouring notebook thing in there. So going into the front, there is a magnet right here on the front that keeps your bag closed. There also is a zipper along the top. I don't tend to use the zipper. I just find it easier to get into if it's just the flap, and then you can get in and grab stuff without opening the zipper. So I'm just going to fold this over so I can show you. So again, this has the really nice pink and white lining, and I know this print has had some issues, but I've really not had any. I haven't washed this bag yet, so I'm not sure if I'll have any with this, but with my B set and my fuel cell, I haven't had any major issues. My fuel cell did bleed a little, but then I threw it in the washing machine and it was fine. So this is how I have it packed up. So sat right on top here, I just have a water bottle for me. This is 9 ounce. And then that's kind of how I'm going to keep it like this so you can see. So in the back here, I just have the charging block for my phone, and then there is a mesh pocket right here, and then there's 2 mesh pockets in the front, and then you have the middle bit of the bag. So in this bit of the bag right here, I have the medium set piece in sushi cars, and that just has a bunch of snacks in there. And then also in the main part of the bag right here, I have a small set piece, and that just has the charge cables for my phone. And then again in the middle bit of the bag here, I have the small set piece in sushi cars, and this just has some mummy stuff in there. So what we're left with now is the mesh pockets, and they've all got something in, and I find this way works really well for me. Before I wasn't using the mesh pockets because this one really drove me crazy because it was so floppy, but now I've kind of figured out that if I just pack it up, and then I've usually got room to get plenty of stuff in the middle. And I find with the Sporty, if you pack it with pouches, it's a lot easier to find stuff, because I open this bag up and I look in it and I know exactly what is in every single bag. My husband doesn't. he never remembers what's in what, but I know when I open it, I know exactly what I have in there. So in the back here, I have a Be Light change pad from a Hobo Bee, 2 diapers, and then I have the large set piece from the ... and that just has a wet bag, change clothes for 2 kids, and just that kind of stuff. So going into these two bits here, in this mesh pocket, I have the medium set piece, and this is just the med kit that I carry from bag to bag. And it was a bit tight getting this into that mesh pocket, but because I don't pull it out all the time, it was fine in that mesh pocket. And then I have my Be Rich wallet in here. And this is actually, it seems hard to get out of here now, but it's actually, when the bag is packed, it's actually really easy to get in and out. So this is my Be Rich in the Donatella Sweet Shop, and that is all I had in there. Now the Sporty does hold a lot of stuff, but the key with it is, I think, is to make sure you have it packed the best possible way for you, and then I find that it does really work. So anyway, if you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, please comment below, and thanks for watching.